Hello Windows Universe, Michael with the Windows Club here. Copy and paste is possibly one of the most used features that you never think about in Windows. So when it fails, it is more than a headache. In this video, we will look at possible ways to fix the issue. As always, we will link an article in the description down below that will go in much more in depth. As a reminder, before making any changes to your computer, create a system restore point in case something undesirable happens. Now, a possible solution is to restart the File Explorer in the Task Manager. So, open Task Manager and find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and tell it to restart. And see if this corrects the problem. Another solution that you might have is if the copy and paste is only misbehaving in a certain program, then probably the best course of action at that point is to uninstall and reinstall the program and see if that corrects it. If it is more than one program, you might want to consider a clean boot state. This might help you isolate the offending program. The article we linked in the description goes step by step on the process, and we will also cover this in a future video. It is possible that the clipboard history might be full, and clearing it out will fix the problem. So let's open a command prompt and type in echo off / up and down / clip and hit enter. And then go to the program that might be causing you problems and try it again and see if the problem's corrected then. Running the system file checker or the DISM might also correct the problem if it's the result of corrupt files. We did a video on a handy freeware application offered by the Windows Club called FixWin. It can help you run these relatively easily, and it can also help you with other issues on your Windows 10 computer. And if nothing else, refresh Windows, back up your data, and then go to Settings, go to Update, go to Recovery, and the part that says Reset this PC, click on Get Started. Now, did any of these work for you? Let us know in the comments down below. For more articles on how to get the most out of Windows 10, visit us at thewindowsclub.com. If this video helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making your digital life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and have a great day!